push chairs because they don't have to carry Groot.
Yeah? Oh yeah, Groot's got a ride. Skylar?
Yeah.
Yeah, she wasn't well, was she, yesterday?
No,
So she's got a push chair. That's cute. Yeah, she's got a push chair to ease it for her today. You're going down the hole.
Oh God, the hole.
You are a terrible driver.
Nice guy.
Lucy, come over this way.
She's feeling a bit better. She's been a nuisance again. Put your legs up. Whee! Oh look, Skylar, Winnie the Pooh. Hi, Winnie. He just walks around the park
Like a little
looking for honey. He's got
swagger.
swag.
Sassy. So now we're going on little undersea ride with Little Mermaid.
Yeah. We haven't
Is
done
this the queue? Are you kidding me?
No, it's just a walking queue. It's 5
Yeah, it's
minutes.
only there. There was not.
Oh, I love this music. I love it.
Well, anyway, Ariel fell in love with a human. Then King Triton got all mad and told Sebastian the Crab to watch over her. Then there was watching her dancing and singing.
To Big Thunder. Look at this. We've got a Donald Zipper. Look how cute he is. He's just
Show where you drink from.
here. So the Donald Zipper, the drink, and everything, that's where you drink out of.
The only thing is you just pull that top bit off, don't you?
Yeah.
I'm a bit concerned that that would fall off.
No, but if you have it around your strap.
Yeah. It's just I'm used to like a twisty cap, that's all.
Yeah.
So yeah, Big Thunder now.
And then we're going to get some dinner at the Grand Floridian.
Yeah.
I hope we see someone there. Well, Melly and Dad.
Going to meet our family quickly for dinner before their flight. That'll be us tomorrow. Boo. We never went over to Tom Sawyer's Island. We've been once, haven't we? It's like there's like a little playground over there. Not a playground, sort of like, can't you remember in Paris? Like little caves and climbing things. That's right, isn't it? Oh, I really want to go on Country Bears Jamboree.
Look at them, a pistol or something.
Lucy, you know they're not scary. They're not scary though, are they?
Yeah, the
Wow, that's right.
What?
Busy. Cavalcade coming.
The parade's on. The bears are loving it.
Quack, quack.
I've lost everyone now. Oh, it's okay. I see them. Got Splash Mountain down here. They went through.
We're in the wildest ride in the wilderness.
And what's the ride called?
Big Thunder Mountain.
Big Thunder Mountain.
And it says it's the wildest ride in the wilderness.
Watch your kids. It's to wearing hats or glasses. Because this here's a wild
Ride in the wilderness. When is the picture being taken? When's the picture taken? I don't think so.
Stuff on you.
You okay?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
You alright, Lucy? That's so fun. I would prefer to sit at the back on this one because you end up going halfway down the hills before.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
What? What? What?
He just wants to say hello.
He gave me kisses and a rough part, and I was like, oh.
Wave to them. Wave.
Oh, okay, let's go.
Alright, bye-bye. Bye, dear.
Oh, look, he's playing the violin. Let's go in the studio.
Hey, girls. Got it, yeah,
Lacey, he blew me a kiss. I blew him.
one back, you thought.
Yeah, I blew him a kiss back. I think you've got it down on the looks. I'm not going to leave you for one of those bears, it's alright.
Yeah, and bears are ugly. They're like,
Daddy only just pips him on good looks.
they're like that, they're disgusting. They're
Aladdin, remember Aladdin? This is a new little walkway up the side of the castle to try and relieve a bit of congestion. Helps us because we need to get to the shops at the back of the castle. Look how beautiful it is. I want to see if we can get one.
Y cuida a sus niñas. Gracias. Please step
Oh,
carefully.
you can have a nap on here, Skylar, if you want.
Step into the car. For your safety, remain
This is our last ride in Magic Kingdom.
hands, arms, feet, legs, and other appendages inside your car. And please supervise younger beings. Stay clear of the doors, which will open and close automatically. Enjoy
Get ready
your
to zoom
journey.
off.
Para su seguridad,
Do that draft.
mantenga sus manos y brazos pies y piernas dentro de su
What? Oh, yeah. Here we go. Whee!
This is
What
the
is putting your
TTA
arms on,
Blue Line.
Skylar?
Non-stop service around tomorrow.
Sit down.
Oh, yeah. Oh, he's just gone in.
Greetings, intergalactic travelers. Welcome aboard the People Mover, presented by Enterprise. I'm Morak 5, your guide aboard this highway in the sky, the absolute best way to see Tomorrowland. And my stars, is there ever lots to see? From spacecraft to monster labs, there's really nothing like today in Tomorrowland.
Bit broken, aren't you?
You're broken.
For your safety,
Tired.
if you have wings, jetpacks, or gravity
I think maybe
polarizers,
18 days is just maybe a few days too long for you two. Let's see if we can get someone to wave to us.
Next station is Tomorrowland Urban Planning and Star Trek. Transfer to green and red line.
Someone went like
Don't
this to
worry,
me.
your express train keeps on rolling through the future, right by two of my favorite spots.
well,
I missed the shot.
First up, Progress City, Walt Disney's amazing dream for a community of tomorrow. Did you know Progress City inspired Epcot and a lot of the visionary ideas throughout Walt Disney World? Look, there's even a tiny people mover. I wonder if that means there's a tiny door.
No, I've not.
On your right is Star Traders, home to the greatest goods in the galaxy. Except actual stars. Those are no longer sold.
Now approaching Tomorrowland Speedway and Tron Light Cycle Run.
I love a good circuit, and these are two of the best tracks in the cosmos for a bit of light and speedy competition.
Look at Tron, it looks amazing.
Attention all visitors from Galaxy S31. Please
This is Starport 75.
Or as we locals call it, Space Mountain. Our high-speed rocket port to distant deep space destinations.
Thank you.
Distant deep space destinations.
The railroad goes under that tunnel.
What?
That tunnel. That's where the railroad goes.
Oh, yeah.
Track.
That's cool.
The railroad that goes all the way around the park. Nearly done by looking at it.
Clear of oncoming vehicles. Thank you.
Sorry? I don't think so. I think they just built in place.
Oh, no, that's not the right.
To your left is the Astro Orbiter, our celestial symbol of interplanetary harmony and fellowship.
You know people who wear red t-shirts to try and make sure they know where everyone is? Loads of people wear red t-shirts, don't they?
Oh, red.
Red everywhere.
You need to wear something unique.
Like, I don't know.
Like a goofy t-shirt.
I've even seen like loads of neon orange,
A balloon
loads
going.
Next station is Walt Disney's Carousel of Progress.
tie-dye,
As
yeah.
usual, we'll keep
Like a goofy.
Maybe just wear a big hat on your head.
Like
Yeah,
progress
that one with
itself,
the big
this
arrow.
theater
Oh,
never
yeah,
stops,
yeah. Right here.
inspiring new generations to dream of a great, big, beautiful tomorrow.
Beautiful tomorrow, shining at the end of every day.
Calling all space rangers. Report to your star cruiser and join me on this daring space mission. I can see you'll ever serve.
Affirmative. We're on it, Buzz. You can count on us. Whether you have one eye or nine, take the time to see this show.
Need to have a shot like that show.
What show?
Now
Oh, yeah.
approaching Tomorrowland Transit Authority Station.
My fellow sentient life forms,
Is it worth
a people mover
leaving
journey has nearly come full orbit.
These
Thanks
somewhere
for
and we
riding
nip
with us.
back
It's
and
been
get
a
some
pleasure to have
food.
you aboard.
No.
And even though we're concluding, this is always my favorite part.
Yeah.
Because now is the time. Now is the best time to go out and explore tomorrow. Today. See you in the future.
Yeah. That's it for Magic Kingdom today. We're just going to spend a little bit of time in the shops. There's a few bits and bobs that girls want to pick up. And then we'll be saying bye to Magic Kingdom for a little while.
The goofy ears.
Put it on.
Goofy hat.
Put it on.
Put it on. Put it on, put it on, put it on, put it on, put it on.
That's anything like. There you go. Exactly. No, we don't have any more. We had a set.
Hot liquid with all the magic colours.
What's that?
Hot liquid.
Bye, Castle.
Bye.
Bye. Right, that's it for Magic Kingdom for this trip. We're going to head out of the park. We've had a nice last day. We've nipped on a couple of rides that we've not done yet. And some that we have, thank you.
So, last time in Magic Kingdom.
Yeah, we're leaving
Girls
now.
are broken.
Yeah. They're ready to go, aren't you? This time.
Well then.
Yeah, come on then.
I need to see Walter. I ain't seen him.
Well, we'll be travelling home tomorrow, won't we? This one's tired.
You know what we didn't get?
What?
That scent.
Oh, Disney Spoon.
The Animal Kingdom scent.
Oh, we've had a lovely time. I know we're not finished yet, but whenever we aren't coming back in, whenever we aren't coming back in Magic Kingdom, it always feels like the end of the holiday. Have you had a lovely time?
Lovely, very tiring, but
Yes,
lovely.
it has been lovely. All those steps, 20,000 steps a day. Yeah, and every dollar. Because there's been a lot of dollars. Here we go. And we've got a Toy Story bus. This is the view I normally get of Tom. Right in front. I can't walk that fast. That's the community hall right there. The arcade was facing it. Exit out to reception there. No, not reception, the front at the hotel. Got a lounge here. That's got like a little log fire in the evenings.
I just like put this on.
Let me show you this way.
Yeah. Stop there.
We've got the savannah out there. A little seating area with rocking chairs. And this is the main lobby. And this is the little shop that we've got here, a little Disney store.
There's a recall drawing there. I thought it was the entire display.
Just go and ask. So they sell like medicines and essentials, got sweets. These are the ones that are in the park, they're very expensive, so they're like $7 for a pack. Yeah. And there's some breakfast items and a few frozen food options. So what the lady was saying is these actually only last 14 days, and because we've been in 16 days, they have to reactivate them so we can use them in here. So it says now the 12th of the 11th.
There's more to eat. Not here for that long.
I take hot chocolate when I'm in the room. So I'm in 27217.
So we're coming to Hollywood Studios, and now we're going on Slinky Dog, have some dinner, watch the show on the Chinese theatre.
We tried that last night, didn't we?
But Miss didn't want to.
No, she was poorly, wasn't she? And we've got a nice big stroller. Look at all that space.
Lacey's got snow.
Lacey might sit in it later if you're tired. But you've got to look like a baby. Oh, so are you?
My friends, everybody just take a small step back for me. Thank you so much.
I just think that we walked into the stroller. I think that's something that I would do.
Who's that woman that's just like...
big, isn't it?
bottle.
I've got a cool Sprite bottle. Me first. Oh no, you can't.
They're nice.
It's Sprite.
It's Sprite.
Exactly the same in a bottle. I'll have a shot while you got it.
No, you can't.
We can pour some in a little bottle for you. You got the lurgy.
She hasn't.
I don't think she has.
She hasn't got the leg.
I think she had sunstroke.
I'm not letting her because I don't want to throw up.
On the plane.
No. Yes, no. A big fat no.
Hey, best place to do it.
Why?
Because then you get to lie down in the back.
Is that right? They've got
Yeah.
some beds?
Let me kiss
In that
Skylar.
case, let's give her a kiss.
Yeah,
Skylar, Lacey will leave you some.
They've got like special like sick beds. It's a place where like some of the cabin crew will go and lie down sometimes.
Hey, don't forget, we need to get the cabin crew some sweets.
So now we are going towards Slinky Dog.
Yeah? Do you think you'll be alright on Slinky Dog?
That's Nanny there. Yeah, I'll be okay.
Go in there.
Even
Go
I
and
don't
take
feel
your one back.
100%.
Careful. Here she is.
Where's Galaxy Edge?
You're in it.
Oh, there's no signs.
No, because it's Star Wars.
I know, but there's no signs. I've even sent you a picture.
saw him. You could have gone straight back to Toy Story.
You was in Woody's toilet.
Well,
Through
that's
there.
when I said stay there, we'll meet you.
I could have been anywhere. Are you feeling better?
They're going to take like ice out.
She does feel better because
She's being a
we've
pain.
been having to tell her off.
And double shot.
Oh, what's that?
It's Sprite.
Oh.
In a cool bottle.
Oh, that's nice, isn't it?
Well, that's
Something that's been on the...
one night.
My favourite rides at Hollywood Studios are
Tonight, we'll let you have it for free.
Tower of Terror, Slinky Dog,
We'd already paid for it.
Mickey's Runaway Railway, and Rise of Resistance, and Star Tours, and I can't remember. There's one more. Aliens were the sources, that's it.
Look at that beautiful sky, girls. So nice, isn't it? Oh no, I can see Andy's backyard and Batu all together. That's weird. He sounds adorable. Yeah. Are you excited, girls?
Yeah.
We love this ride.
Say she's selling.
But I still got a spring in my step. Let's go. Golly, that was so much fun.
Guess who didn't
See,
press
see,
record?
see, you come to a complete stop. You grab your things and step out to your right.
Skylar, I didn't film it. I didn't press record. We'll have to go on it again.
Yeah,
Yeah?
now.
Not now.
It was fun.
How annoying.
It's the prickle pen.
How annoying am I?
Very.
And you two got to ride it on your own at the front. Oh my gosh.
Normally got a bit.
Can you see the Christmas lights?
Oh look.
I can't believe they've got the Christmas decorations up. If you've watched our old videos from last year, they actually had snow down the street. and there was like a show on the Tower of Terror and it was beautiful. Usually the Christmas decorations come up on the 1st of, like the evening of the 1st of November. No, the evening of the 31st. But they're up. So clearly at Hollywood Studios they want to make a bit of a head start. We've been on this?
About 50.
It's a walk-on, there's no wait whatsoever.
Yeah, also 10 people are watching the show.
Just stay outside the other box.
Yes. Bless you.
While we're waiting, guys, let's see if you can find the 4 hidden Mickeys in here. You have 15 seconds.
There. 2.
One's in that tiny.
You found one? You're right. Very good. Everyone find 3 on the screen.
Everywhere.
3 on the screen, 1 above your head.
Oh yeah.
Of the latest animated short featuring Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse called Perfect Picnic.
Nothing can stop us now. Anything happen, let's make a right side.
Good times are here to stay. We'll get away and have a perfect picnic. We'll sing a song. Absolutely nothing will go wrong.
We're heading down the open highway, and I'm glad you're going my way. Everything is just so peachy. Hi, Goofy.
Hey, howdy. Beautiful day for a picnic.
Yup, we're off to the park.
See you all there. Oh, hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on the train? Excuse me, you there.
Who, me?
Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while I fix this here locomotive?
Sure, I'll do it, Goofy.
Thanks. Be back in a jiffy to pick you all up.
All right, guys, we're gonna have you wait right here because this is most unusual. I've never seen anything like this before. Folks, I must apologize. I was told this was a non-smoking theater.
Welcome aboard, folks. We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park. for sticking with me. Why, picnickers, told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Nothing can stop us now. Finally made it. We had one crazy round. On my side. As long as we are alive, nothing can stop us now.
Here we are, back in the barn. Remember to gather up all your personal belongings. Take your small children by the hand and watch your step as you exit my train. Come back and see me again real soon, okay? So long.
Hold on, small children.
What's up, Lucy? What? I love it. You're crazy. Is there anything you want to spend your money on?
What if we do? Daddy.
If you put it on the other way, where do you turn it on? Yeah. We're just catching the end of the show now.
It's me. I miss you.
There's a ball started by a mouse.
Gee, thanks everybody. It sure has been a whole lot of fun. But trust me, it's only the beginning. See you real soon.
Hello everyone, welcome back. It's the outro. I'm tired. Hello everyone, it's the end of this video. The only reason why I'm in the short is because I can't be bothered to walk. I'm gonna get out.
I mean, I'd get in if I could.
It's our last full day here. Going tomorrow we're getting on the airplane.
Yeah, we'll be, by the time we wake up, they'll probably
So sad. We're going to nip to Disney Springs now,
Yeah.
just to go to a couple of shops.
I'm
Just
so tired.
right. Okay.
Okay, see you guys next time.
Probably by the time we get home.
On the
I've got to
plane
go back tonight.
Today it's home day. Getting on the plane. Just finished in the room. So everything's gone and stuff. And now we're heading off to Disney Springs for the last time in a couple of years. And then we're gonna go on the plane and go home.
Are you sad? Are you sad? Yeah, it's a sad
stayed
day.
here for another year.
Another year? Oh my goodness. What about school?
No, just no. No.
Right, let me do one last sweep around the villa and then we'll go. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. The lovely jacuzzi bath that we had. The massive shower. Got our lovely bedroom. With the Animal Kingdom theming. Bathroom. Living room here. Kitchen. It's a bit more messier than when we arrived. Our dining table, balcony. We've left the beds out so it's easier for them to... Socks? Don't know. Yeah, it's easier for them to clean. We've left them out. We've had a lovely time in this room. Now it's time to go.
It smells like green pasta.
Green pasta.
So it's not? It does.
And then we've got the second bathroom here.
Sad
and that's
meal
it.
here.
Got a sad lazy. Right, okay, so we're just going to the lift now. Sorry. This is the way we went to the car park every day. And we got to walk past the savannah. We had a really good room. 2717. Is that right? 7217. All this time we've been here and I can't remember.
Oh, it feels so weird.
It was so close to reception.
Yes, it was.
And so close to the car park. Thank you.
Yeah, we walked a couple of steps in Sinnar.
And the bus stop was right there as well, so.
Also, Sinnar.
Snacks.
You woke up in the
Sinnar
morning.
is the restaurant at Animal Kingdom, and every day we wake up and it smells like curry. It smells amazing.
Delightful. Lovely.
This is the car that we had.
I may worry
For 2
if I've
weeks.
left anything.
We haven't left anything, I promise.
You sure?
Yeah.
Come on.
Bye, Animal Kingdom.
Bye. Animal Kingdom Lodge.
How sad. Bye, Goofy Bus.
Bye, Goofy Bus.
Right, off to Disney Springs, shall we? Bye, Riviera. He's going out of focus, Tom. Look.
Future Lacey and Skylar here. Our camera died on the last day, so that's why we're filming our outro. So we didn't have any footage to use. So tune into our next vlogs, which is my birthday trip. See you guys next time. Bye.